Good day, traders. Stay from MarketWise. So just read this disclaimer quickly before we get into the market review. Right, you can pause the video and even read it. Now, this is the market review poll. I'll put a link in the description below. You can just click and come and vote. So let's see which pairs won. I said I'll review 2 pairs every week. If the pair is not in this list, you can send me an email. If the emails that come through add up, then I'll review that pair. So this week I see AF there 4%, AU 8. I traded EG this week 4%, EU 13%, GU 17%. So those are the results right there. Okay, so we can see GU and EU actually won this poll. Okay, so what I'll do before I actually review GU and EU, let's have a look at what I said about GU, and then I'll analyze GU and see what happened according to what I said, and then I'll look at EU. Okay, so let's just go to that video now. Okay. So on this pound dollar, okay, on this pound dollar, what I'm expecting when we get into Monday, what am I expecting when we get into Monday? I'm going to expect him to give us possibly a safety, where I'm saying you go up to yesterday's high. If you get an M there, guys, take that sell, even up to somewhere there. That's just for Monday. Take that sell because the peak is here, it's locked here. This is a peak here. So all this region, we don't expect him to come back here, the dealer. We don't expect him to come back here. So you can take an intraday sell. If you have the patience to hold out, you can hold out up until it gets back down to somewhere around the 800 EMA. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I'm saying that Monday, he might give us that false move, week beginning, set the anchor point, and it starts to go away, right? If he's going the right direction. Of course, look at other pound pairs just to get that added confirmation. But intraday, you can take a sell there, possibly on a Monday, possibly on a Tuesday. Mondays, usually they like to play funny games, so check for it. Even if he does it Monday, somewhere there, and Tuesday it just comes, it gives you, take it as a sell, okay, GU. At the same time, if he breaks this level, this around this 137 level here, then we'll take this as a reset and say he's going to continue up. That way he's working the higher time frame. Okay, so trading is all about probabilities, how long you want to hold the trade. Let's have a look on H4 here. What do we see? You can see that bullish strength. It's just going with the 200 EMA. So that's why I'm saying, you can say short-term sell, a short-term sell, a long-term buy for pound dollar. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing here. Just quickly, remember, trading, you get your trend direction. What your thoughts are, mainly your entry exit. You know, that's where you make the money, not in. Okay, so we also, what I said about GU, let's just see what happened. So it was a Monday, right? So according to what I saw, what I remember to see what I said, this is Monday. That was the Monday I was talking of. So this was where Friday ended, and I said Monday I was expecting one leg there, second leg, and I was bearish up to the 800 EMA, which is this line here. Okay, so as we all can see, Monday, what did the market do? What did the dealer do? He came, he gave us a type 3 here of a sell, right? And he just gave us a few pips. And this was a reset, a peak reset, according to market maker. Okay, so let me just clear all of this, right? How many pips could you have made? This wasn't such a nice move, but just a scalp of about 30 or 40 pips. So they reset here. This was the peak formation high, as I said. So how many pips did they move from this peak overall? They moved 252. That is less than 3 ADR. So this is a reset, guys, that happened on Monday on pound. But like I said, even as you saw in the video, I said if they break above this Friday's high, don't be looking for sells, right? I said if they break above Friday's high, don't be looking for sells. And as you can see, I said if they break above here,
don't be looking for sales. And that was during the week, and they did break above there. So this is a reset. What I'll say now for this coming week, this is Monday, right? Tuesday going on and so forth. What I will say, because this is a reset here, but they have not yet traded above 137 level here. That will be my breaking point. So I'm actually looking for sell Monday, Tuesday with this 50 EMA to give us an ID 50. So if we get an ID 50 on Monday or Tuesday and M like that, I'll gladly take a sell intraday or even hold another position. That is what I'll be looking for. Right, Monday, Tuesday, I'm looking for ID 50 based on market maker. Alternatively, if price continues to go up, let me use a different color for that. Which color can I use? Use green. So alternatively, if price from here goes up, I won't be interested up until it starts trading above 137. Then I'll wait for a pullback anyway, and then I'll be long. But as long as price, let me just use even another color. If price continues to trade here, I don't care. I'm not going to do anything up until I see either this pink, a nice ID 50, or this here for buy. So those are my thoughts on GU. Okay, those are my thoughts on GU. So unconfirmed reset. This is an unconfirmed reset. They break 137 is confirmed. I'm long, but for now, what I see in the market, I'm short. I go according to what the market shows me. That's how I expect and how I trade. All right, so let's have a look at the YouTube video, what I said concerning euro dollar, and see what happens. So basically, I think I was quite right this past week for the direction for Monday, Tuesday. Just up to there, it's just it didn't happen on the same day. All right, that I had expected. But let's look at that video, and then I'll look at EU together now.
Somewhere there, my peak is set. So what am I expecting for EU? What we call okay, it's already happened. ID 50, there was a nice ID 50 here on Friday. This is beautiful, these two pins to the 50 EMA, which is this blue, lovely ID 50 there. You could have taken on Friday. So what am I expecting Monday? Whatever he does here, he can do what he does, but I'm gonna look for my price to go up to around this 122.55 mark. If it gives me a nice M, I'll take my sell. I will take my sell. That is what I am seeing here on EU, right? Around this zone, 122.62, I'll be looking for a nice sell Monday, Tuesday. Remember, just trade what you see, what the market presents to you, not what you want it to do, but what it does. So from what it's done, this is what I'm expecting it will do for EU, right? So let's just have a look at H4. What else can we see? H4, we can use some ICT. What do we see? What do we see here? Even ICT. There we go. It is broken. So this is
okay, so we saw what I said would happen on EU. So EU here, let's have a look. What I said would happen on EU and what actually happened. So this is, I haven't got that indicator put here, but anyway, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So this is Monday here. This is the Monday. And I had expected when price opened, it would come somewhere to the 200 and sell up to there. And I said I'd be happy up to the 800, or it could go for one more level. All right, so what happened is this price did not even come to that region where I expected. As you can see, they didn't even come to this zone. But on Wednesday, they gave us a lovely type 2 there, and you could have been very happy on Wednesday. Okay, So let's see, what am I saying for the coming week according to Market Maker? What am I expecting? That was my peak. How much has price moved? 268 pips. That I know for EU is about good enough for my expected cycle. So what am I expecting? I see this cross here of the 5800, meaning they could even extend this level a little bit lower from 120.70. I would say maybe even up to 120.50. I'll be looking for something of a pattern like this of an intraday W, or if they want to do it 3 times, but I'm going to be looking for a buy this week on EU. I'll be looking for a buy either on a Tuesday. I won't take it just on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'll be looking for anything which gives me a buy, right? And I can buy up until the 200 EMA somewhere here, or I can even hold it for longer. But they could reset and sell on the 200 EMA to continue if they're working, if the dealer decides to work a higher time frame. When your trend line guys, they can show you very clearly this is the trend line. We use everything in trading, conference trading. There's a trend line there, so you can see. But that's what I'm thinking according to Market Maker. I'll be bullish Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on EU. When I'm saying bullish, I don't just buy on anything, but I'll be looking for buys around that 120.50 mark, somewhere around there. Anyway, around 120.50 still has to drop a bit, right? And I will take it right up to about 121.70, 121.80. If it breaks this 121.80, I can continue holding. But if he resets and if the market resets and begins to sell at 121.80, I will be looking for another sell. So basically, we're looking at what the market will do, guys. We wait for the setup to present. Do not just enter based on thought, on feelings. But that's what I'm saying. I'm looking for that. And if that comes, I will take that. But I'll be long. If it does not break my 121.50, 120.50, I remain long. If it holds and refuses to go above there, I can take off some positions on a buy. Okay, so those are my thoughts according to what I see the market doing currently. Remember, we respond to what the market does, and the market is always right. If it does whatever it does, it is always right. We just give our analysis, put our expected TP, stop loss. As long as our expected TP is take profit is higher than our expected loss, we go for it if it follows your plans, even according to Market Maker. Okay, another thing I'll just say this week with the whole elections thing, whatever is happening there in America, you can expect there might be some things, the market might just be flat, or it might be just very choppy. Okay, so take that in mind, but remember, when the setup appears, trade without fear. Have your known stop, your known TP. Whatever happens outside of the market will be reflected in the market. But it's just a heads up what I'm just seeing, and it's January as well, so everything, just take that in note. But anyway, happy trading, guys. Remember to just subscribe to this channel, just like this video, share it, and just check through the other playlists. I'll be dropping more. You can email me if you have a request on anything or any other assistance, right? So just vote, remember, in the poll so that your pair can be reviewed. If the pair is not on the list, just email me the pair. If I get enough emails requesting that pair, I will review it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope this was very helpful to you.